So I want to fry the egg. I'm putting it on top of the gas. Then I will be putting small groundnut oil, very small, not too much. Okay, we don't eat too much oil in this house. We don't eat too much oil in this house. Okay. We don't eat too much oil in this house. So the gas is gassing. The egg is egging. So let me put small salt. Small salt inside the oil. Small. Not so much. Not too much. Then half of this I'll be using. Half. For my ingredients. Curry, ginger. I have garlic. I think I have garlic here. If I don't see garlic, I will leave garlic. But I have, I don't know what it is. So the oil is almost. Then onions. No, it's not staying very well yet. Let's wait a bit. Let's wait a bit. It's supposed to do shrimp. So let's wait. These are the things I'll be using while my plantain is frying in the how they call it. I always like to use that. I used to do my so one name. I have to upload all this video on my page. My Zugabe one originally take of things. So I put this one, just half of it, okay? Half of it. Then I put this. You can do it. This one an egg, anyhow you want. Then fry. Then I put small. This one is curry. More curry, small one, not too much. Then ginger powder, no, not ginger, garlic powder. Let me look for ginger powder. I also have ginger powder. I have everything. See my ginger powder. I have it. All this thing is good for the body. Ginger, I cannot cook without putting garlic powder and ginger powder. So let me check my plantain. My plantain is still very okay, guys. My plantain is still very okay. My plantain is frying. It's frying. I will wait for this one to cook for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before I put my egg. So one is enough. That is half of this is enough. Don't put too much in. on your belly. My plantain is almost ready. This is the quickest food ever. Quickest. Egg and plantain. You want to cook rice, jollof, stew, ewedu soup, black soup, bitter leaf soup. You need hours. So I'm not ready for that now. So I just want it to steam small. Then this video is going too long, and I don't want it to be too long. I will have to end it, guys, and come back again, so that we will have many videos to post. So that we'll have many videos to post. So that I will have many videos to post today. Thanks for watching.